bang, pew, pew. Robinhood, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? They sent another legal advice to investors. They sent another message in their Robinhood app to them that basically said that fractional shares are not held. What does that mean? Are all of the positions going to be liquidated? Are they basically saying like, hey, we're going to take all of your fractional shares. It's going to be great. Calm down. They're not going to do this. I wanted to make a very quick video about what's going on with Robinhood app and what's going on with their legal team and fractional shares and what does not held mean. It's all just a bunch of craziness. So we're just going to unpack it. I am a finance student at NYU, and I also spoke to a Robinhood representative to get a handle on what's going on. So let's discuss that in this video. So basically, Robinhood came out and said, hey, so tomorrow we're just going to decide to make fractional shares not held. There has been panic on Twitter. There has been panic everywhere. I have been getting phone calls saying, oh my gosh, are my shares being liquidated? What's happening? What does that mean? So I decided to do my due diligence. I do know what not held meant, but I also wanted to speak to a representative because there was a full document that was basically on page 14 and page 15 saying exactly what the fractional shares meant. So basically, when you buy a fractional share, it's going to be a market order. So let's say you bought 10 shares or $10 worth of ticker symbol SPY, SPY. So in order to do that, you would have to use a market order. Now, what that means is that it just goes at the price that it goes at. There's no limit on your price. So you get it at a varying price. But now what they're doing is if you put an order in at 9:30 for that $10, they can execute that anytime throughout the day. It will still be executed as a market order, and it will still be executed that day, but they have from 9:30 to 4 o'clock to execute it during market hours. Now, the representative was telling me that basically they're doing that for the investors. He was trying to make it sound very bullish and very favorable for the investors that are in Robinhood app and using fractional shares. Now, I'm not sure if that is true. I haven't really heard that before, but they're basically using it to say, okay, you're buying these fractional shares. We're going to give it to you at a lower price throughout the day. Or on the opposite hand, it's the same thing if you're selling fractional shares. They have the whole day to do that, because it's not being held. It's being held in Robinhood. It's not being held in the company that you're purchasing. So if you want to sell it, it's going to be a market order, and they're going to try to wait to see if you can sell at a higher price. So basically they said that they're doing this for you, the investor. I'm not quite sure if that's true or not, but I just wanted to ease your mind a little bit because everybody thinks that, the sky is falling and they're running around like Chicken Little going like, oh my gosh, they're liquidating. Like, what's going on? I can't hold my AMC or GME stocks. It's okay. It's very much okay. There's nothing really that's changing except for the execution hour. That's it. They have to execute it within the market day. It's just going to be executed a little bit later rather than immediately. And that's it. That's all that's changing. It's just some legal jargon, and basically it's just a non-issue. So this is Supergirl Investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of that because I know a lot of people were asking me about it, and there's an ice cream truck outside, which I really want to get some ice cream tonight because I am sweating like crazy and I've been working out like crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a brief update because I wanted to put your mind at ease and let you know that everything's going to be okay. It's all right. There's a lot of better apps than the Robinhood app. I personally like Webull. or M1 Finance or even SoFi for different reasons. And I made an investing video about my top investing apps for 2022. So if you want to check that out, that's in my YouTube channel. So please comment below what you think about this. If you think that there are going to be some other rules, if you read through their whole statements, it was a lot. It was a lot to go through and a few surprises. If you want me to do a deep dive on that, I will. So let me know about that in the comments too. And please leave a like for the algorithm so this can get to all of the Robinhood investors. All right, peace. Bye.